While Coilz here, today I am making and using bentonite clay for the first time. So here are a couple things you're going to need: a non-plastic container and a non-plastic spoon, bentonite clay, and apple cider vinegar. Most people will measure out, but honestly, it's all about consistency. So you want to make it to the consistency of a yogurt or something. It's all up to you how thick or thin that you may want it, but I'm trying to get mine to the consistency of yogurt, like a real mask, So pour in the apple cider vinegar. You're going to see a reaction happen here, which is absolutely normal. And then I'm just going to mix it. I'm going to keep playing with it until I get the consistency and the amount that I want. So here we go. Just to hit y'all with the facts. So bentonite clay is a clay that is basically volcanic ash. And this volcanic ash has the ability to detoxify. And so when it gets with a toxin or a chemical or a metal, it will absorb that toxin and then release its nutrients back into whatever you've applied it on. So bentonite clay is the old school healing clay that was used before we got all this fancy technology. As you can see here, I've reached the right consistency, but I need more. I got all this hair, so I do need more. So I'm going to still continue to play with this. Back to the facts. So bentonite clay can be used externally and internally. It does the same thing in the inside as the outside. I kind of think of it as activated charcoal. So I'm going to try to see the differences between the two, do some more research, but I'm liking what I'm reading and learning about it so far. Please be sure to do your research before you decide to buy and invest in bentonite clay. If you have a friend that has some, I will recommend trying it together. But bentonite clay can have several different effects. It can heal eczema and other skin issues. It's good for the digestive system. It also acts as an alkaline, the same way that we drink alkaline water. It works like that for our body. It can soothe rashes and heal burns. It can also detoxify your armpits. I've seen people on this new armpit detox. So I would look that up to see what that's about, because that's probably going to be my next venture. So with this mask, you want to start off with wet hair, which I hopped in the shower real quick just to get my hair submerged in water. And then obviously, just like when we put anything else in our hair, we want to section it off to make it easier. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm starting off by using my fingers to help me feel the texture and kind of detangle my hair a little bit as I'm putting this stuff in. There's no really rhyme to reason I'm putting it in. I've seen people do it in several different ways. I've seen people actually comb their hair out and start with like detangled hair. This is not detangled at all. It's just finger detangled. But I noticed immediately that my hair texture started to show and be more defined and kind of clump a little bit, or like shingle. So I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see. Y'all, my butt ran out and had to make some again, and then I was running out right here as well, so I'm making it do what it do. But that front piece looks a little light because I started running out, but all is well. Boo. So I went ahead and put some on my face as well, but for my face I just used water instead of apple cider vinegar because I do have sensitive skin. So now you just want to put on a shower cap or a bag. I'm gonna just keep it G and go ahead and put this bag on my head, wrap it up so that it doesn't dry out, and then you want to wait around for 15-20 minutes and see. And as you can see, the mask is a little bit clumpy, and that's because I used water instead of apple cider vinegar, which is fine by me. It's all the same. It's still gonna work. Bruh, this thing is squeezing my face so hard. My lip is stiff. My lip is stiff. I can't even lift my eyebrows. Oh, Lord Jesus, help me. And it felt like when I was sitting there, all of this was just being pulled to the center. Like, and also, at first I was a little apprehensive of putting this right here because I get eczema real bad right here. And it's burning. Not burning, but it kind of stings a little bit. And it may be because it's pulling so hard, but I'm about to take this mess off because you can't even see what kind of expression I'm making right now. Before I hop in the shower, I thought it was a good idea to unravel my twist just so I can make sure I'm getting all the clay out. So, this is me getting out of the shower. Let me see. Wow. It's like my hair is wash and go without a wash and go. Like I low-key was shingled. So this is what we're looking at. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around. Better quality. So look at these little curls, man. So I say that the Bentonite clay is a yes. My hair feels clean, even though I didn't wash it. Let me turn it right. My hair feels super clean, even though I did not wash it. yes, I'll be using this again. This stuff is wonderful. This little girl. Eczema does not burn anymore, so that's nice. Put some moisturizer on my face, and I don't know, maybe I'll just put some. As you can see, I love my results, so I will be using this clay again. I'm very interested in knowing what you guys think, seeing the texture change and whatnot. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. I want those comments. Let me know what's up. See you guys later.